Did you know you can redo your taxes? That's right. If you've already filed but something seems off, it's not too late to correct it. Our Second Look Tax Redo program has saved people millions of dollars, and we can help you too. Filing an amended return with Form 1040X is like hitting the rewind button on your tax filing. If you want to amend a loan, just follow the IRS tax amendment form's instructions to ensure your financial story is told accurately. Worried about the price tag? Relax, amending your return on your own won't cost you a dime, aside from potential postage or service fees. If you get stuck, you can always give us a call. And, on average, we find our customers an additional $10,000 in savings. And if you're concerned about waving a red flag at the IRS, don't be. Amending your taxes is a standard procedure and won't automatically trigger an audit. But what if the IRS beats you to the punch and spots an error first? They'll send you a notice, and that's your cue to respond with precision and speed to get things sorted. Keep in mind, patience is key. The IRS typically takes up to 16 weeks to process an amended return, but that's a small price to pay for peace of mind and accuracy. Don't let mistakes linger on your tax records. Visit taxredo.com today, and let's get your amended return started. Ensure your taxes reflect your true financial picture with the help of taxredo.com. Because when it comes to taxes, everyone deserves a second chance.